how to install Slido app Q&A and polling. So you can just tap get and then double click to install. Live Q&A and polling platform for meetings and events. Ask questions, vote in polls, and be a part of the conversation at the event you're attending. Download the Slido app and join your event by simply typing in the event code. Slido is an easy-to-use Q&A and polling platform. It helps people to get the most out of meetings and events by bridging the gap between speakers and their audiences. Please note that this app doesn't include the admin mode of Slido and is meant only for participants. With Slido app, you can experience the live stream. You can watch the live stream and interact with live polls or audience Q&A directly from the app. Ask your questions. Upload the questions, vote in live polls, submit your feedback, brainstorm ideas. So if you just attend in some big events, sometimes some conference, all of that, this is one of the go-to apps they will actually try to use. So how it works in a nutshell: you just have a conference and for example, they have some speaker and then they just run some kind of poll during that speech, or they just wanted to collect questions to that speaker during the event. So you just then enter the event code, and then you can just join that conversation, and then you can just type your questions there, and then usually they will just appear on some kind of big screen in the audience. And that's how it works. Instead of raising your hand, and it's becoming quite messy, especially for big audiences, people here can easily vote, and then you can vote for, and then you can vote for the best questions and easily organize all this like live polling in bigger events. So by using this app, you just need to enter the code, which should be shared with you during audience, and you just follow the instructions. Super easy, and that's basically it. And then you can integrate this app with a bunch of other apps like Microsoft Teams, live videos in YouTube, PowerPoint, WebEx, audience Q&A, and as you can see, I think I used it during audience Q&A. It's quite convenient. You just just have a list of questions, and then audience upvotes what are the top questions. Then you have quizzes, analytics. So try that out. Pretty cool app, and it's just easier to use on mobile as an app. I guess you can also use it via browser, but there you have it.